Should we clean our car park this time of the year? As winter envelopes our surroundings with its chilly embrace, the picturesque snowfall scenes come hand in hand with the challenges of maintaining safe pathways, driveways and car parks. Let's delve into the imperative of winter cleaning, focusing on aesthetic appeal and, most importantly, on the critical aspects of health, safety and the surface longevity. The Winter Challenge. Winter weather introduces a unique set of challenges for outdoor surfaces. The accumulation of snow and ice turns once familiar pathways into potential slip hazards. Neglected driveways and car parks laden with debris, moss and algae increase these risks, making them the perfect grounds for accidents. Unveiling the slip hazard. The perils of neglected surfaces extends beyond the visible debris. Hidden beneath a thin layer of snow, ice patches pose significant risks. RedClean's commitment to safety encompasses understanding the science behind these slip hazards. Pressure washing emerges as a vital tool in combating these dangers, as it removes visible grime and tackles the invisible threats beneath the surface. The science of slip prevention. Pressure washing is not a one-size-fits-all solution. RedClean employs specialised techniques to ensure that surfaces look clean and are optimised for traction. Using the correct pressure and cleaning agents, our experts create surfaces that resist slippery substances, mitigating the risks of slips and falls. The health and safety imperative. Beyond the cosmetic benefits, pressure washing is an indispensable element of health and safety. RedClean surfaces go beyond superficial, acknowledging that the appearance of a clean surface is meaningless if it doesn't guarantee the safety of those who use it. This is particularly vital for businesses, public spaces and retirement villages where diverse groups of people frequently use the premises. The role of public spaces. Public spaces such as parks and walkways demand special attention during winter. RedClean recognises that these areas are communal spaces that bind communities together. Our specialised pressure washing services are designed to maintain these areas, ensuring they remain accessible and secure for everyone. Protecting businesses and offices. Businesses and offices hold a unique responsibility to safeguard both employees and clients. The entrance often is the first point of contact, and it sets the tone for the environment within. Protecting businesses and offices. Businesses and offices hold a unique responsibility to safeguard both employees and clients. The entrance often is the first point of contact, and it sets the tone for the environment within. RedClean's specialised pressure washing services cater to the unique needs of commercial spaces, offering reliable solutions to combat the challenges of winter weather. A clean and hazard-free entrance not only ensures safety but also contributes to the professional image of the establishment. Safeguarding homes and retirement villages. The focus on well-being extends beyond businesses to individual homes and retirement villages. RedClean understands the importance of providing a safe environment for residents, ensuring that driveways and walkways remain free from hazards. Our pressure washing services enhance the aesthetic appeal and uphold the highest standards of safety, acknowledging the unique needs of residential areas. Beyond safety, the hidden benefits. While the primary focus of pressure washing is safety, RedClean goes beyond the obvious to unveil hidden benefits. Removing dirt, mould and stains is not just a cosmetic improvement, it's an investment in the longevity of surfaces. By preventing the build-up of corrosive elements, pressure washing becomes a proactive measure that extends the lifespan of driveways and walkways, ultimately saving on long-term maintenance costs. Our winter pressure washing services go beyond surface level cleaning. They embody a commitment to the well-being of communities. By addressing slip hazards, ensuring safety in public spaces and enhancing the longevity of surfaces, RedClean emerges as a guardian of exteriors, creating environments where everyone can tread confidently.